We have just arrived Metro Frankfurt to see Light+Building 2012. I'm going to show you around inside, and you will hopefully be able to see a lot of new products, and I will have a lot of interviews with different manufacturers as well. So I hope you like the video, and if you do have any comments, please let me know. Feel free to write me. So let's go, keep in touch. I'm standing here with Peter Halmans from Philips, and Peter, how are you?
I'm doing great. It's the last day of the fair, so we had a very good fair.
Okay, good. So Peter, could you please tell us a little about what sort of innovation you have to show the different clients here at the booth?
Now, we're very happy to show a lot of new innovations, and actually most of our innovations start with studying human behavior. The effect that lighting has on people is for us crucial if you look at the way we innovate. So for example, in a shop, in a city, outdoor, but also in office, we're really studying the human behavior, and based on that we innovate. So we have, for example, the 40mm LED line series of office appliances and office situations we have here at the floor, which is brand new. We have a fantastic range of master LEDs, retrofit drops, but we also on that side we have, for example, the Style ID and a pure detail for retail applications. So these are a few of the highlights of the show. But maybe one other thing to mention, that we also are introducing City Touch for outdoor appliances and outdoor situations, where we enable cities to connect lighting systems with each other and come up with an intelligent lighting solution to manage, let's say, cities and city streets with one control panel. These are one of the highlights of the show.
Sounds really interesting. And could you tell us a little about what the future will be on OLED? OLEDs.
Oh, on OLED? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's fantastic, because I think we really can be very, very proud on what we show here. For example, we show a OLED creation. It's really specifically designed for Light & Building. We're very proud of that. I think it's the most photographed object and filmed object of the fair, and we believe that OLED is now ready for decorative applications, and but now also ready for more a broad market by introducing a commercially available and affordable OLED palette to the market. So we have high hopes for that.
Okay, Peter, we move closer to the office section. So so thank you for your time until now. So now we are in the office zone of Philips booth here, and I'm still standing with Peter Halmans, and we are here talking about some kind of interesting fixture. Peter, could you please tell us about this fixture up there?
Yeah, it was the Danish designer Henning Solfeldt who designed this beautiful luminaire. He was inspired by throwing pebbles over water, and you clearly can see that here. And so this designer of PLH Design in Denmark designed this beautiful luminaire, which is up to 105 lumen watt output, as an office compliant luminaire. So we're very proud to present it here. It also reflects the cooperation we want to have with designers, with lighting designers, architects, but also interior designers and object designers, to design luminaires which not only are office compliant but also have have a good nice looks and a nice design, which everybody wants to have at their meeting room. So I'm very proud to show this as an innovation at Light+Building.
We have now moved to Philips Retrofit Master LED box, and I'm still standing here with Peter. And Peter, could you please tell us a little about the dimming way you're using in this dim tone?
Yeah, we have here a new great innovation which we're showing here, and it's all about creating atmosphere in your home, or creating atmosphere in a certain situation, just like in a hospitality situation. And now here we have the Master LED spot, which is really designed to dim in a very good way. We've actually created on the technology side a little bit more of amber, and with that amber you can really play much more with the light and having a more cozy atmosphere. As you can see here, it gets a little more reddish, it gets a little bit more cozy atmosphere compared to a normal LED lamp, and that really creates, let's say, the light quality levels in a let's say a home situation or a decorative situation where we all are waiting for actually. So that's a very nice combination of technology being brought into a LED lamp. And what you see here on the other side is actually a nice range of cooperations we have with dim companies who work with our products, and our products are very much adjusted to the quality standards of these dimming companies. So we're very good, proud of this cooperation, and we, by doing so, hope we can increase the penetration of LED dimming into the market.
Thank you very much, Peter, and thank you for your time, and have a wonderful day. I'm standing here with Jim Miller, Chief Sales and Marketing Officer at BridgeLux, and Jim wants to tell us a little about the company.
Yeah, BridgeLux is a company that makes their own LEDs and LED products from die to arrays. We focus on quality of light, so we're here today at Light+Building to talk about not only bright light but also good quality light. We have many customers that are in the retail and hospitality segments that really appreciate the fact that our lighting products help them sell their products better. So we focus on not only, as I said, brightness of light, but really good quality of light. And as you look around the booth, you'll see that we do things that most LED manufacturers can't do, focusing on a lot of various colors and highlighting strong selling features of not only our product but our customer products as well.
How about the color quality? Is it, let's see, it's pretty good here. How is the color quality?
Yeah. So we have products that range from 80 CRI up to 97 CRI. In fact, because we're a lighting company, we focus on the best quality of light we can provide our customers. So we look at, for example, in one case, what do we need to do to give a similar effect as CDMA? Created a custom product called Decor, which we're announcing here or showing on the booth. It is 97 CRI. More importantly, the R9 is 98, as is the R15. So very good flesh tone, very good red tone.
Thank you, Jim, for your time.
Great, thank you. Appreciate it, thanks.
Welcome at the Tumtotal booth. It's a big booth, as you can see, and surrounding here is the art and culture application, and that's basically the main message. We again show a lot of product innovations, but this time we want to put them show them in an application bracket. For us, it's highly important, being the leading solution provider for architectural lighting solutions, to understand what happens in the application, what is the actual user need for the specific application. And from this, we take this knowledge and take it as a basis for our product development, and the people can experience it here in the best possible way.
Interesting. And what will we see in the future here from some topic? What is the future product you have?
Now, the future products we have is this development is something we see in a lot of areas in our business. product portfolio development and the product design will more and more orient towards the actual use. And when you look at that, the luminaire, highly performant luminaire won't do the job any longer. You need the controls, you need the knowledge about the actual application, all these parameters that influence the best possible solution for the customer. For us, and I say, if you let me add that, it's of highest importance because it's the vision of TQ. We want to provide the best light for people and the environment, so we have to gain that knowledge.
Director of Marketing for the lighting business at Cree. This year at Light+Building we actually have two stands. In Hall 4.2 we're showcasing our LEDs, which are our components and our modules, and then in Hall 5.0 we're showcasing our indoor and our outdoor lighting. Cree's driving the revolution in LED lighting with extraordinary innovation, high CRI proven technology that increases the output, decreases your energy costs, and overall your payback is much less than any other vendor in the market. We pride ourselves on the quality of our LEDs, and we hope that you'll find our products here at the show very informational.
Absolutely, they are really interesting. And I have seen that you have got a new fixture for street lighting. Could you please tell us a bit about that?
Yes, we actually have two new fixtures in street lights. One is our Aero Blades, revolutionary form that does not follow function but provides extraordinary output. It was designed by Spears and Major, award-winning architects in the lighting space, and we're very proud of it and hope that it will be a bestseller in the market. We also have our XSP series, 3 times the lumen output, half the energy, half the cost. Payback is tremendous on it.
Hi, I'm Travis Britton, International Marketing Manager for Cree here at Light+Building 2012.
Please tell us a little about the Truffer, the series made for example, office lighting.
Sure. So we have the new and latest architectural Truffer. It provides volumetric lighting so that it not only illuminates horizontally, but also vertically. We have greater than 90 CRI thanks to Cree True White technology. We also have the equivalent to the most and latest T5 fluorescent replacements. So if you're looking at an upgrade alternative compared to a T5 architectural fluorescent Truffer, you can have less than a 1-year payback with our products. We offer 90 lumen per watt minimum. We also go up to 110 lumens per watt with a 7-year guarantee and 75,000 hour L70 rating.
That sounds really interesting. So how about the color rendering for these Truffers? Is they better than the CFOs?
Of course, with Cree True White technology, you're guaranteed a CRI of at least 90. We average 92 to 93, which on a scale of 1 to 100 is almost as good as incandescent or halogen.
Okay, thank you very much for your time and have a nice day. I'm standing with Gareth Franklin, CEO at AC/DC. And Gareth, how are you?
Very good, very good. A little bit tired, but yeah, pretty happy.
Gareth, could you please tell us a little about AC/DC? What company is it?
Well, we design and manufacture cold cathode and LED products. We've been doing that. We've been working with LEDs for about the last 10 years. Fairly early adopters of LEDs, and yeah, we're progressing. We're doing some really cool stuff with them. We work on a lot of the top projects in the world, big international projects. We have global coverage, and yeah, we work on some pretty amazing buildings.
Really interesting. Could you please tell us a little about what sort of products you have?
Yeah, everything we've got basically is an LED-based product. We're a premium product, so we're high-end in terms of what we're doing. We're really developing the technology to be pushing the technology as far as we can. So we have a very broad range of products. We have downlights, we have linear products, we have some micro fittings. The downlights we've got now we're getting up to sort of metal halide level performance. So we're at 35 watt metal halide in warm white, really good beam control, really nice detailed design in the fixtures. We've then got IP65, 68 exterior products, again some of them linear, some of them floodlights, and they're a really good broad array of LED products.
Okay. Really good. So what are you going to see in the future from AC/DC? I mean, what sort of products will you tell them?
I could tell you that, but I probably can't. But no, we've got some really cool things that we're working on at the minute. We've had a couple of prototypes. We had a party launch on Tuesday, just showing some prototypes, trying to get a bit of feedback from our clients. So we've got something that's going to challenge colour change floodlighting using red, green, blue and white. But the design, we designed the products around the LED themselves, and that's allowing us to create some pretty amazing looking fixtures.
Okay, really good. So how about office lighting? Are you also in this field?
About what, sorry?
Office lighting.
A little bit. I think we would define ourselves as architectural lighting, so that tends to be where we are. So in an interior space, then yes, the downlights to an extent they do get used in offices, but we're not talking sort of Cat 2 fitting 600 by 600. It's much more the architectural aspect or the architectural sort of product.
Okay. Are there anything you want to say at last here?
Yeah, AC/DC, we're an interesting company. We've relaunched ourselves, I guess, at this show, and rebranded ourselves at this show. We're a hard-working company, we're a fun company, and we like to think we've actually grown up a little bit this year at Light+Building. So yeah, in the past we've had a bus here that was outside previously, and yeah, that's kind of AC/DC in the past. So we're still the same people, same fun, great products, great service, but the fun's still there in AC/DC.
Thank you very much, Gareth, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Is my night.
I'm standing here with Ron Steen from Mexicato, and Ron, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful, thank you.
Perfect. Ron, could you please tell us a little about Mexicato and the things you have going on here?
So, as many people know, Mexicato has a story of quality of light, which is where we entered the LED market space to try to provide the best color and the best LED light source for for general and accent lighting. And for this fair, we are introducing two major new products. Number one product is what we refer to as our Zuccato Point Module. We've taken remote phosphor down to a 6mm window by increasing the luminance of the source and getting a much tighter spot. We're able to now provide 50mm aperture that allows a 10-degree beam. The second new product that we're introducing is in our standard XSM format, the same format that many of our customers have been using since Zuccato first started. We are now offering up to 3,000 lumens. And if you were at the fair 2 years ago, we would have only been talking 1,000 lumens and talking about halogen. Now we have the capability of taking on 39-watt metal halide, 3,000 lumens with all of the quality of light that's expected from Zuccato.
That's really amazing, and it's moving fast. How about the color rendering? Will it be stable at 95?
Yeah, so we have our 95 CRI and another product that I don't have in my hands because I only have two. I should reach into another pocket and grab a third product. But we are now releasing 3,000 lumens in our linear module in Artist Series and 4,000 lumens in our 80 CRI. So the great color that people are used to from Zuccato is now enabled in up to 3,000 lumens in wonderful asymmetric wall washing and 3,000 lumens in 80 CRI in the smaller form factor.
Okay. So Ron, what are we going to see in the near future? I mean the next year, what we're going to see?
So Zuccato is going to continue to push the envelope in making sure that the industry has LEDs that provide perfect color. We'll continue doing it in the same format that you're looking at. So now we get to a point of staying consistent so that the marketplace can now adopt, but continuing to push efficacies, taking the 3,000 lumen format, taking some of the changes and increasing the efficacy of our existing products to where our entire portfolio will be at least 70 lumens per watt, thermally stabilized, ready for the market to use with the perfect color and lifetime that you expect from this.
Okay. Well, that was really good, and thank you very much, and have a nice day. I'm standing with Ian McRae from Thorn, and Ian, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Ian, could you please tell us a little about Thorn and what the future plans will be of this company?
Thorn is a global supplier of lighting solutions. We do indoor, we do outdoor, we do integrated controls, we do all light sources, LED, fluorescent, discharge, the whole thing. We're operating in many countries around the world, and the future looks bright.
How do LEDs move this company gone in the direction of energy efficiency?
Well, LED is just another light source for us, but it's an exciting one, obviously. It changes things a little bit because now you're talking about a fully electronic product rather than a light source and then something else. It's all integrated. But the market moves very quickly, so you have to move quickly with it. We see a bright future, but customers still misunderstand the technology, they missold the technology, and we find when we bring them onto the stand here, we talk about LED in depth, suddenly they light up and they see it as an exciting technology for the future.
How about office lighting? Do you have any sorts of office lighting based on LED lighting where you're able to maybe make a dynamic color temperature, you know, from 4,000 Kelvin to, let's say, 3,000 Kelvin?
We don't actually do that as such.
Okay.
We like to, we balance the colour temperature for the environment, so we get that right at design stage. We're more about a fast follower into the market, so our customers generally won't experiment with innovative equipment, but they'll bring in good quality equipment that satisfies their needs. So we do a lot of lighting controls, and where indeed you could balance the colour temperature if you wanted to, but our products are generally around 3,000 or 4,000 Kelvin, and efficiency and performance balanced with some comfort is what our range is really about.
So could you please tell us a little about the future, what we're going to see in the next upcoming year and so on?
Well, I think LED poses a couple of problems. One, lumen maintenance. So we're going to see, I think, LEDs that come along that survive a little bit longer, maintain their lumens a bit longer, maintain their colour stability. We're going to see a move, I think, towards replaceable LED modules because customers are not happy that they have to recycle the whole fitting at the end of life. So they're asking us about more sustainable luminaires, and of course that's what we do. We have replaceable modules, we have replaceable gear trays with LEDs on, and we offer a complete recycling solution as well.
Okay, thank you, Ryan, for your time, and have a wonderful fair.
Thank you very much.
I'm standing here with Martin from Alpha LED, and he wants to tell us a little bit new about the products and maybe some projects also. So Martin, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thanks for the invitation to talk to you today. Yeah, we've got a very good show here. We've expanded our international distribution, launched some fantastic new products, and all in all it's been a very successful few days. It's given us a great opportunity to explain to the world about our new guarantees, our new product range, and all in all meet some new people and have some good networking opportunity. Very good time, and we're very happy here. Thanks a lot. Okay, well what we've done, because we've been established now for several years at the LED market, especially with the Staccato module, we're actually on our second generation of many products. So we've learned effectively from feedback from the market back in, we've got a new range of products, such as our new 70 series, family of different shapes, different optic arrangements, and different beam angles. So it's really answered the needs of the market from our initial product offering. So we're hoping to use these in international projects and also our products in the UK and expand as the outputs get higher, the applications will grow, and so we'll have product range still further.
Okay, and you know, I have written a little about that you are using Explicator modules. What is the cooperation between Alpha LED and Explicator? How long have that been active?
The relationship to projection lighting and Staccato goes back many years to the very origin of Staccato, and we've embraced the product, and I think we are one of the greatest sales from Staccato company ourselves, because we've embraced the technology, and you see we're now positioned internationally as well.
Sounds great. So thank you, Martin, and
thank you very much.
Nice day.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
I'm standing here with Detlef from LED-on, and he wants to tell us a little about the company LED-on. Please tell us.
Let me give you a brief introduction. LED-on is a subsidiary of the Zumtobel Group, and we are a separated independent company and focusing on development and marketing of so-called LED retrofit lamps. So we do lamps for private end users, for the private house, for consumers predominantly.
Okay. And you know, I have seen that a lot of LED bulbs do have some problems with dimming range and all that. How do we handle dimming in the bulbs, in the driver systems?
Okay, that's indeed a challenge. You probably know that some large companies already developed some standards, right? Unfortunately, they're not compatible with each other. That brings additional challenges for the end users. And as a small company, have to admit, we are not able to conquer the market and be compliant with all the different solutions in the market. We've gone a different way and developed a new kind of lamp that includes the dimming technology inside. So that brings a lot of benefits in terms of installation requirements. So you don't have to change anything of your installations. You can remove all the electronics you have today because the intelligence is in the lamp.
Okay, that's really good. And how about when we will see these bulbs in the retail stores and all that? When will the consumers be able to buy the bulbs from you?
July 1st, I expect the order.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Detlef, that was nice to meet you, and have a pleasant day.
Thanks a lot.
standing here with George, both Reutz from Iwasaki, and George, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Perfect. George, could you please tell us a little about the company here and what sort of new products you have?
Yeah, sure. Well, Iwasaki's been around since 1944. Predominantly it's a HID lamp manufacturer. However, in keeping with the times, we've branched out into LED of late, and that's mostly what we've got on display here today.
Interesting. So, what sort of products do you have? What's product range?
Yeah, sure. Well, I mean, amongst our new LED product releases, we've got direct retrofits for GLS lamps. We have a range of floods. We have some LED high bays, explosion-proof luminaires, and also some larger, higher wattage LED retrofit lamps as well.
Okay. What sort of new products will we see in the near future?
Well, I think Iwasaki is planning on expanding the LED range, widening the product range that we already have.
Thank you, George, very much, and have a nice day.
Thank you.